Hello guys, it's Matbh and Awsmfece, and yeah, we are back. I have finished my XP grinder and I made it a little bit nicer.
Yeah.
So it's not much more to do than fill the roof and then you're finished. So I thought that would be very boring if I showed you that when I 4 episodes with the XP grinder. That's kind of boring.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. What level are you in?
19.
Oh. I'm
This
44.
this mob grinder is really good.
Yeah, I know.
Oop.
We should probably make like an enchanting table.
We haven't explored all the islands yet, have we?
Yeah, I think we have.
Oh, we have?
Explore that over there. But I'll
Okay.
make an enchanting table.
Whoa! I got gold ingot.
You got?
I don't think that was from the mobs though.
How's that possible?
Yeah, probably when I mined.
Oh. But I'll spend the 2 diamonds we got in the chest. You know, from the use whatever you want island thing.
Oh, for what?
Enchanting table.
Okay.
Because then we can get more diamond if we get fortune.
Yeah.
And that's good.
Yeah.
And by the way, I have added the newest updates to this map. There's an island over there now.
Yeah.
Oh, we have... LOL!
What?
We haven't explored the mushroom island yet.
Oh, I thought you did that.
No, we haven't.
You were so close.
Yeah, I know, with the XP.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, let's go there. I have 32 cobble at the moment. I'm playing on tiny because of all the mobs.
Would you like to go over there? Because I'll expand this island.
Okay. Sure. Oh yeah. Mushrooms can grow on mycelium during daytime, so we can actually make huge mushrooms still.
Oh, that's
so
good.
We can have mycelium on our island.
Oh, nice.
Yup. Oh shit, I might die.
Mycelium, you know,
Yeah, it does expand.
Oh, that's good.
Or grow, yeah. Just like grass.
But
so
is that in a new update or?
Huh?
Because this is 1.2.5.
It works there.
Oh.
Or it has always been growing to other blocks, dirt blocks.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I don't have enough cobble at the moment.
Oh, a tree have grown on the swamp island.
Nice. Oh, that's been very long time.
I know. I'll go over there.
Okay.
And chop it down.
I'll repair my pickaxe.
Okay.
I have a helmet now, and a iron sword, and a iron pickaxe.
I got an iron shovel.
What? I have an iron pickaxe.
Oh.
And iron. I don't know. Okay. Okay.
Okay, but yeah, I'll go over to that island.
I have. I got a enchanted bow.
Oh,
power 1. Yeah. And I got 4 bows.
Nice.
Yeah. The mob
It's
grinder
taking
is
forever to
awesome.
run on this bridge thingy.
Okay.
Okay, almost there.
Have you a timer? Or you time
No.
it?
No.
Okay.
Oh, there's a cow over here, and
Shit!
3 chicken, 2 cows and 3 chicken.
Yeah, let's go in there. I have wheat.
No, what? Whoa!
Did they die?
No, a tree just grew in my face,
Oh, cool.
and I thought I was killing a chicken.
I'm coming.
But I'll breed them here. Let's just let them be here.
I have wheat. I can.
Yeah, I had it because I destroyed the farm. Oh my god, that's nice. Bring a bucket.
Bucket.
We can bake a cake.
Well, just bring them here.
No,
Bring them over.
maybe they will fall off. You know, like last time.
Well, we didn't have any fences back then. Oh, they're coming. Okay, I'll make a
I haven't spread them.
Yeah, but make a thing.
Well,
A thing.
just jump down. No, they will fall off.
No. Oh, no.
What are you supposed to do?
Get them over there.
No, they will fall off like last time.
Fine.
Just let them be here. What?
We have almost 64 gunpowder.
We have more than 64.
We do?
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
No! Oh my god. A chicken is escaping. Fuck!
Did it fall off?
Yeah. But the island is taking me up again.
Uh-huh.
It won't let me fall.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's creepers. Oh, I can shoot with my bow. Like a bows. Like a Bowser.
Oh crap.
Oh, chunker. The fuck.
But the XP grinder looks very beautiful now.
Very. Not to worry.
I think. Or it looks much finer. Nicer.
I see what you did there.
Hello. I'll come to you. I'm coming for you. Oh, there's Chunker over here.
Oh. Ah, you too? Me too, yeah.
No.
Oh, obsidian. Why you left?
Just chunk arrow.
Oh, look at this. I think there's a bug with their map.
There's no mob spawning up there.
Look. Look here.
What?
We miss mushroom trunk thing.
Oh.
Should probably fix that in next update. Oh, mushrooms. Oh, yeah.
Can you see the other island over here?
Which one?
I have added a new update.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, over there is an island.
In this, well, I have to change my shit. Okay. Is it far away?
About 64 times 2 blocks.
Okay. Alright. I still can't see it.
And
I'll
it's
play on
very, very big.
very.
Okay. Oh, I got 10 mushrooms. I'll grow. Oh, I can grow them. Finally. I've been waiting for this moment.
Yeah.
Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Why? I can't grow huge mushrooms.
Oh. Oh, you need more space. You need to break this, son of a bitch.
Oh. That explains everything. Boom. Let's build a house.
Let's build a house in it. We still haven't made a house.
I know.
I think we were talking about that in the fourth.
Should we make two houses?
Or just one big, maybe. We can start.
I'll make one and you can make one.
Okay. Do you have diamond? So we can grab this.
No,
Purple.
don't grab
Shit.
this diamond or.
Oh, there's diamond here.
Yeah, no, don't grab it.
Yeah, I missed.
Be careful. Do not destroy the dirt.
Why not the dirt?
You know the.
Oh, the growth.
Yeah. I don't think it's growing back. Oh my god.
It is. It should.
Okay, but I'll go back.
Hello?
Hi.
Oh. Okay, it's
Are
like.
you high?
Why?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
What are you talking about?
I have no idea. You're confusing me.
I'm low. Oh, diamond, diamond. I got the diamonds.
Do not mine it.
I did. Oh shit.
Because I want to mine it.
I mined it.
No.
I did.
Why?
I know. Don't, diamond. Motherfucker.
Because then I'll have to kill you. And mine it by myself.
Because of the fortune.
Yeah.
Shit. Do we still have diamonds?
What?
Is there still diamonds in this map? Yeah,
Yeah.
should be one, isn't there? No.
Did you are you serious? Did you mine that?
Yeah, look. It's,
Why?
I know.
I told you not to mine it hundreds of times.
Okay.
And you still mined it.
We didn't need more than that.
We did.
No?
Yes, we did.
For what?
And
No, we still have 8 diamonds in this map, I think. You could still make a sword and all that other stuff.
but we need 2 swords.
No, we don't need.
Yes, when we go to end and fight the dragon.
I'll make the thing, the music box. Because that's one of the challenges. And it's awesome.
Why?
Because it is. Look, I'm gonna play. Where's your music disc? I got
One
mine.
of your chests.
Listen. Oh yeah. Can you hear it?
No.
You can't? Okay, put it in yourself. Here. It's the music of victory. I mean victory. Okay. I have a chest on me.
War.
Word, yes. Awesome. I can hear it. Can't you hear it?
Oh, I heard it. There you go.
Where? 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 What?
Now I can hear it.
What should we do now? I'll go get some experience. And some
Okay.
shit. We must make a mob spawner in the nether.
To get gold.
Yeah,
So we can make powered rails.
yeah. And other swag, of course.
Okay.
Oh, I know what we should
What?
have 2 mob spawners.
What do you mean? 2 mob spawners.
Just kidding. Okay. We must make loot chests.
I know.
Okay.
Oh my god.
What? Why are we making house?
No.
What is this?
Watch.
It's a house, dog.
No.
Oh, it's a library. I know. It's awesome. I will enchant my pick when I have. Should I do it now at 25?
What pick?
Stone pick.
I'm not sure. But have you got iron?
Iron pick. Yeah, I'll do that.
Enchant that in 50.
Why?
Because it will better chance to get no fortune.
We don't need fortune anymore.
Yeah,
For what?
redstone.
Oh. Okay.
And the other island. Because there's more diamond there.
It is.
Yes.
The new island. Oh, mother of God.
I think we should go there in the next episode.
Next episode.
Yeah.
Okay. We should make a huge wall of wines.
Yes. We should.
I think I'll make it here.
Okay. Or could you expand the island?
Ooh, yes. You can probably expand the farm with animals.
Yeah. We should
We
make
must-
like two different color the sheeps in like rooms. So it's easier to farm them.
Oh, yeah. Sure. With grass.
Yes.
You can make a, wool super place color thing.
Yeah. I'm level 48
Oh,
now.
Okay,
But
well-
I hope you guys have enjoyed. A rating's much appreciated. Remember to subscribe and all that stuff. So yeah, see you guys next
download
time.
this map.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.